Oh my God. Thank you, Jesus. What's going on? Y'all see I'm back with another video. Y'all see where I'm at. I'm at this spot here. You know what I mean? Now, so much stuff has been taking place before me even dropping this video. Y'all, nothing really bad, you know. Well, for the people that don't know, and y'all, a lot of folks probably know if y'all been on my page looking at, you know, my banner and stuff. You know, I'm a Christian, but firstly, before the word Christian even get dropped on this video, I'm a Jesus follower. You know what I'm saying? Which make me a Christian, cause a lot of folks saying they Christian without following Jesus. So I don't want y'all to confuse the two. So I'm a Christian because I follow Jesus. So I had to go on and clear all that up before I hear any crazy stuff. But I say that to say, you know, since I'm a Christian first, and a lot of things actually been taking place as far as spiritually, and you know, me praying and spending time with God while I build this. I actually was supposed to keep y'all posted while I do it, but in my spirit, man, I just wanted to enjoy my own build first. So truthfully, I want to thank God first for even surrounding me with the people, or a person. I ain't gonna say people, but I'm gonna say people. But for this to even take place, and I pray just many more to come on, man, y'all, to God be the glory, bro, that this even getting built. Like, even on the days I don't feel like coming here to do anything, you know, I go on and get out the bed and do it. But overall, I want to thank him first before I walk y'all through everything that I did. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Okay. So from the last video I recorded, I think y'all seen a little of this. But now, this day, currently, this is done completely. Now I'm finna walk y'all through everything I did. So this that y'all see, this is very temporary. I got this from Lowe's. Because I did not know, and I couldn't find the actual size of the 92mm throttle body. So when I was on Amazon, when I was on Amazon looking at the 102, it said it was between 92mm and 102. It didn't work. Same with this 4-inch. They were saying a 92mm 4-inch. So long story short, I went to Lowe's and I bought both of these. This actually works. So I may keep this even when I upgrade my intake, and I'm gonna shift it this way. You know, put a hole right there. At first I was gonna go this way. I forgot why I wouldn't go this way, but I was like, nah, I can't go this way anyways. But yeah, I'm gonna have my intake, you know, go like this, cut a hole. Might just even keep it here, I don't know yet. But this is all complete. As y'all see, I got my IAT sensor. Now the biggest thing of why I wasn't cranking the car beforehand and letting it run was that bad boy there. When I tell y'all this build was spec'd out, bruh, do y'all see how close that is? Y'all see how close that is? Of course, I painted this. Like, I'm mad at all of this right here took place, but it's cool. You know, I'm gonna revise everything. But I had to buy this bracket off Amazon. They wanted a penny for it. It wasn't high. It was like close to $90. But the one I bought before was 40, but that was a whole nother build. It did not work for this. So you need to get the truck bracket lower mount. I didn't have to do nothing but cut down this, because as y'all see, I think y'all can see it from right here, it's that stem right there, the power. It was real close to this. It wasn't touching, it was just close. So I just went ahead and took this bracket off and I filed that down. So that's the only thing I truthfully had to modify. I could have ran it like that, because like I said, it wasn't touching, but that thing worked, and it worked perfect. As y'all see, I'm running nothing but the water pump and the alternator, because I'm doing, if y'all see my last video, this. I don't know where that's being mounted yet. That's probably the last thing I'm gonna mount, and if I do mount it, I'm probably gonna push it down here. So I'm gonna cut this open, have it down, and just have the cap going up. I don't know, you know, how I'm gonna go about all that. Now, radiator, of course, I did the 3-row because of what I'm finna do to this car. Is crazy work. And for the people that don't know, and if y'all haven't seen my videos, my car is actually spec'd out for boost and nitrous at the same time. So when I built this motor, I built it for boost and nitrous. So I already got my ring gap set and everything. So after all of this, the nitrous going on the car and the boost, I never only shared the boost of what I was gonna put on here as far as induction wise with 2 people. You know what I'm saying? So y'all gonna actually know once I actually have it. So I ain't gonna say nothing. But yeah, I did the 3-row alternator. Let's go under here. As y'all see, I got everything wired, looking real good. You know what I'm saying? Oh, got this. Y'all know what that is. That's for my, y'all probably can't see it right there. That's for my clutch. So that's good. Oil catch can. Like I said, I'm doing everything as if already. I'm prepping it for the boost, y'all. So that's why I already put all this stuff on here. So I got this oil catch can. That's 10 AN. 3-volt alternator with some high performance fans, and I'm gonna go in here and show y'all how I got this thing wired up though. Yeah, this ain't gonna be hanging. I'm gonna fix that later. So as y'all see, for the alternator, I got it ran right here all the way to the starter. Got the new belt, you know what I'm saying? Yep. And got my connectors. I actually made this. Yep, and I loomed it myself. Yes sir. You know, got to keep it professional. Okay, now as for my fans, I got a relay kit. As y'all see, this is the relay kit. Actually supposed to be up like this. Hopefully y'all can see it. Let me see. I hate the glare. There we go. So that's the relay kit. And you know, I got it wired all the way and tucked down real good. You know what I'm saying? I got it ran. This is actually temporary. I just got it right there for right now. But I may cut this connector and make my own. But this ain't hurt none. It's my car. You know what I'm saying? Yep, it's fit perfect. Oh y'all, I'm happy. So it fits like that. Fits good. I got my headers. She sound like a beast. I already cranked her and ran her for a long time. So yeah, I got my O2s, my starter. You know what I'm saying? The black on black crime. You know what I mean? I said crime. I'm gonna rebuke that. Okay. So all of that is straight. The last thing I actually got to do is put on my coolant reservoir, and we gonna go from there. You know, I got this ran like this because the AC box gonna sit right here. Everything is good. I do detect a small misfire, but I ain't gonna call it yet because I don't got no fluid running in the car yet for the computer to do what it's got to do. So we ain't gonna see. I ain't gonna know until today, and I already got my hoses and everything too. I just got that today. But the engine bay compartment, as far as wiring, gas, all of that is completely done. Like we Gucci, we done. I don't got to come up here. Only thing I gotta do is repaint. The motor is done, everything done. Sounds nasty. Okay, now I'm gonna take y'all back in here. As y'all see, I mounted everything. Oh yeah, I got to clean her up now. Y'all remember I had all that stuff. I had all the wires and stuff. All of that is done. You feel me? Got everything up. I'm gonna be doing this later on as far as the paint or fabric. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but got my stuff in. I'm actually putting all that back in. As y'all see, this is my fuel pump. You know what I'm saying? So this is the relay for the pump. You know, this is the trigger switch. Y'all see I got it grounded right there. You know, just easy access. You know what I mean? That was the best way to put it too. You know, I got my computer and everything mounted. Y'all don't see nothing. If I go under, y'all will see. That's my battery relocation wire. So that's the only thing y'all see. Hit everything. You know, just give y'all a walkthrough. Now let me show y'all how the back look. This is temporary, but this how the back look. I got my wire and stuff ran. This is actually for the fuel pump. You know, I got the fuse out. Like when I got to work on anything electric, I just pulled a fuse for the fuel pump. You know, I got my switch, so it's actually off. I can turn it on. You know, still good. 250. You know, mounted. You know, got that to the battery. Now, as y'all see, I got a side post. That's why I got to sit here. So I found these brackets that go to the side, and they put the terminal just like this on top of the battery. So once I buy that, then I'm gonna buy the thing that had a battery sit down here, and I'm gonna set it there, strap it down, and that's gonna be it for her. That's really it. So really just clean up everything already, everything as y'all see. You know, I said very professional. Now on the driver's side, oh yeah, I got my tail lights in, and they work. really good. They look so good. I'm actually gonna make a video of me refurbishing this, but that's gonna be after paint. That's the last thing I'm gonna do, because when I did my last car, it was perfect. Like I'm okay. I'm better than your average Joe when it comes to that paint. So yeah, you know, my tag thing, I got to buy that and all this too. But yep, tail lights in. She looking like a Camaro now. Got that. She gassed up. I already got gas in her. Them not the wheels I'ma run. They actually over there, but we ain't gonna, you know, okay, got my door panels and stuff back on, as y'all see. Man, I made a lot of progress, y'all. There we go. Cause the sun, yeah, look at that. So right now, as y'all see, I got my dash in, my gauges. Oh, they actually work. Matter of fact, I can do that for y'all. Hold on. Okay, just so y'all can see. You know what I'm saying? It's on now. Yeah. There you go. So everything's working. You know, I'm still on this side because I gotta order another turn signal, because these wires was making everything go crazy in here. But y'all can't really see. I got that stuff working. Now I could do a small crank over. Oh, he moving like the battery did. I don't like that. I ain't feeling that. See, that thing is at 8. It used to be right there, and it's not. Yeah, I'm not liking that. And it's been off, y'all. So I'm probably actually gonna go take this battery back today, cause that's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, I ain't feeling that. So that's a bummer, but it's cool. Let me see one more. Yep, still at 8. Yeah, she gotta go. Now what's crazy, my machine did say the battery was bad, but when it tested before I bought it, it said it was good. But she going back. I got 30-day warranty. It haven't been nowhere near 30 days, so she about to go. But yeah, y'all, that's really like the update for today. We may get a start if I can mount my cause I know this steam port hose got to go to my coolant reservoir and so forth, and there's going to the coolant reservoir. So if I can get that mounted today, then we'll have a start on this legit video. But yeah, that's how she looking. Let me get to work and I'll get back with y'all. Y'all already here. Y'all here. Yep, y'all heard it. Until next time.